Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Kaya ko naisipan na baka hindi ko kaya i-carry yung gown for 5-6 hours mamaya is because kasi magpe-perform yung SB19. Tapos may Gary Valenciano and Martin Rivera pa. So I have a feeling, di ko mapipigilan sarili ko, baka sumayaw ako ng todo. Kaya I wanted to wear something that was really more comfortable.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep